Wherever you plant, the harvest is for Yemen. Olive harvest season is on the way, a time for the Blessed Tree Waqf project. Express your generosity by planting trees that's byproducts empower Yemeni youth under the Yemen Pioneers Program. Contributors of the project planted 723 Waqf olive trees through Pure Hands. Every year, these trees produce profitable olives, an investment that contributes to the program and serves as an ongoing reward. We invite you to invest in this project and invest in the future of Yemen. With your support, we can plant more trees and make a lasting impact for Yemen's new generation. Invest in the future of Yemen. Invest in your future. Plant a seed for the prosperity of Yemen.
الشجرة المباركة، استثمر لمستقبلك.